received this yesterday on December the 16th. Today is the 17th. Set it up this morning. Instructions in the box. This is the one that I purchased, and that is the color. I have it turned on now. Let's see, I'll turn it off. Follow the directions from here and also the little booklet directions. It's off now. Turning it on, the green light comes on. I assumed that this was the highest, but then when nothing came out, I thought, well, maybe not. So I went all the way through here, went back and forth. It is plugged in. The cord is not very long. I did not put it on wood. They recommended no wood, no metal, so I put it on a breakfast tray, which has plastic, and I can feel a slight little breeze, but there is absolutely no mist. I'll show you on the highest possibly, and I go all the way through, and there is no mist coming out at all, none at all. Shutting it off, and unfortunately I am so disappointed. I am returning the Crane Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, going back to Amazon, and I will look for another one. So disappointed. I really needed something for my bedroom. Good size, looks great, doesn't work.
Crane brand, 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch. So 1/4 inch threaded by 1/2 inch barbed fitting. Little 1 inch barbed, or excuse me, 1/2 inch barbed tee. And it runs over here to my water dragon. He's a Chinese water dragon in there. I put the clip on to slow the humidity down a little bit in his tank and give the chameleon more. So there's the chameleon in there. But yeah, pretty decent little fogger for cheap. You know, I've got this one I've had for a year and it's already broke. It's an actual reptile one. So I went ahead and just kind of made my own.